The 4,000 to 6,500 snow leopards that are left in the world cover about 2 million square kilometers over the high mountains in 12 different countries of Central Asia. That's only about the total size of Greenland. We have chosen to focus our initial request for help towards China, as it has about 60% of their habitat land, the largest amount out of all the countries by far. Snow leopard territories range from as low as 30 kilometers to over 1,000, depending on prey concentration in the area. Territories may overlap somewhat, though, as they are not particularly territorial animals. They mostly keep to themselves with the exception of breeding season. Their ideal terrain would be cliffs, ravines, and rocky outcrops that keep them high up at a cold and dry altitude. Snow leopards' main and most important prey consists of blue sheep, ibex, wild goat, and wild Argali sheep. They have never been found to be aggressive towards humans, but they have fed on livestock that has been inside of their territory. The biggest threats to snow leopards are poachers, who kill them for their valuable coat and highly demanded body parts used in traditional Asian medicine, and vengeful killings by herders, whose livestock have been preyed upon after going into a snow leopard's territory. In addition, livestock overgrazing can lead to a decrease in resources for prey, which lowers the prey population and lessens the amount of food available to snow leopards. Our proposition to be sent to China is this. We must have closed-off areas for snow leopards, to be treated as a national park. These areas would be in their ideal habitat, both in their current locations and in other mountainous areas that we will spread both them and their main prey to. We also plan to increase the population of the snow leopards, and even more so their prey. We also plan to increase the population of the snow leopards, and even more so their prey, by human-influenced increased breeding. We must make sure that the national park areas accommodate to the snow leopard's needs. If we make sure that the prey populations are dense enough, then it shouldn't be a problem for each snow leopard to have a relatively small area. We intend to encourage even sly poachers to stay out of the national parks by making the areas outside of the national parks where it is legal to kill snow leopards, their prey, and whatever else is there. It is our hope that the animals will take the hint and migrate into the national park area entirely. Livestock will also be able to graze only outside of the park zone, so they can't take resources from the snow leopard prey within the park, and they still have a fair amount of grazing ground. We hope that you will consider our proposition. Thank you for your time.